Hi, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Payal and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to do cut crease, and I will be explaining each and everything related to cut crease, how to get it done, what are the things you need to keep in mind, and what are the things you need for that. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's just start the video. As you can see, my base is already done. Usually I don't prefer to put my base on before eye makeup, but today I will be going very specific about the cut crease, so I thought of putting on the base first. If you are not comfortable doing this, you can do your eye makeup first, then go to your base or the rest of the face. So first I will be just telling you the basic about the area here, what it is, and then we'll move on to the tutorial. This area here is called brow bone, the bony structure we have around our eyes. It's called eye socket, and if I look up like this straight, you can see my skin is folding here. This is called crease, and this area right under the crease line where you can see a fold, a line, right under that is our lid, and this is the outer corner, outer V, this area. This is the inner corner. This area is called tear duct, and this is upper lash line, lower lid. Next we'll talk about what other things you need. First, you need a concealer. If you don't have a concealer, you can use a foundation as well. Just make sure that your foundation is not too liquidy, that you are kind of struggling to work with that, because we will be kind of drawing a new crease here with this kind of brush, and you need a brush. This is a synthetic flat curved brush. It's not straight, you can see. This is a round top brush. You need something like this. If not the exact one, you need something like this to draw the crease. I will mention all the product in the description box. If you want, you can go and check it out. Next, you need an eyeshadow palette. You can take any eyeshadow palette you have. So moving on, prepping the eyelid is very important. So I'm using my primer. I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer. You can use any primer you have, or if you don't have a primer, you can directly go in with your concealer. Next, we'll take my concealer. For concealer, I will be taking LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and we'll apply that the way we conceal our lower lid, the same way. Next, we'll take my beauty blender. This is from Sigma, to blend the concealer. If you are comfortable using a brush, you can use a brush as well. Next, take your compact powder and set the concealer. I will be using Huda Beauty Easy Bake. This is a loose powder. You can totally use your compact powder, or if you have a light shade of eyeshadow in your palette, you can use that to set your concealer too. I'm taking a brush. This is a small powder brush from PAC. For eyeshadow, I will be taking this palette. This is Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession, and the palette looks like this inside. First, we'll take a blending brush. As you can see, this is a fluffy big blending brush. Whatever blending brush you have, you can use that. First, we'll take this shade right here. I'm taking that color onto this brush. This brush is PAC 028. We'll apply that right above my crease line here, and right after applying, I will start blending that in a circular motion. While blending, I will bring that to the inner crease. Now my transition is done, and we'll move on to cutting the crease. I will be telling you there are few types of cut crease we do. I will be telling you what are those. So first one is a full cut crease. Basically kind of draw the crease line from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner, and then you wing it out here. That is called full cut crease. Half cut crease. And the next one is half cut crease, where you will start from the inner corner and then will stop in the middle of your eyelid. First, I'll mark the area where I want my crease to be, then I will fill in. As you can see, my eyes are creasing here. You can see the skin is folding here. I will take little bit more space like this. Obviously, will not go too high. We have to be in between the eye socket, inside the bony area, and we'll just draw like from the inner corner and then we'll curve it out like this. Okay. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the palette, and using my finger I will apply that from the outer corner till middle. Next, to apply that shade very precisely to the outer corner here where I have just winged that matte shade out, I will take this applicator, just apply that to the outer corner here and kind of follow the wing. Next, I'm going to take this shade, and using my finger I will apply that from the middle towards the inner corner. Next, I'm going to take this shade, and I'm using the same applicator I was using earlier. We'll apply that to the inner portion. If you are a beginner and if you find it difficult to apply 3 different shades to your eyelid, you can totally apply 1 shade or 2 shades as well. Next, we'll move on to eyeliner. For eyeliner, I will be taking Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner. If you want, you can take a gel eyeliner, or any eyeliner you have will do the job. So the eyeliner is done. Next, we'll extend my inner corner. This step is totally optional. If you want, you can extend the inner corner. If you don't want, you can skip this. Still, I will be showing you how I extend my inner corner. I take a gel eyeliner for that. It's easy with a gel eyeliner to extend the inner corner, and we'll use a brush. This is an eyeliner brush E06 from Sigma. I'm taking Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade black. So moving on to the lower lid, I will be applying the same shade I have applied earlier, and I'm taking a pencil brush. This is Sigma E30. We'll apply that very close to the lash band. Next, we'll take this dark shade from the palette, and using the same brush, we'll apply that very precisely, very close to the lash band, and we'll keep it to the outer corner only. Next, to the waterline, I will be applying this nude kajal pencil from Rimmel. If you want, you can apply a black kajal or a white kajal pencil, even a purple kajal pencil as well. If you apply something nude or a light shade onto your lower lash line, what happens is your eyes looks much more opened up and bigger. And I will apply some mascara. This is Lala Lash from Kay Beauty to finish it off. For lip liner, I'm taking Color Sensational from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Rich Chocolate, and will apply this crayon from Kay Beauty. This is in the shade Rumor. That concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial and it was helpful for you. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think, and if you have any request for any specific makeup tutorial, please tell me that in the comment section. I would love to do that for you. And also, I'm very open to advice and suggestion. If you have any advice, any suggestion for me, for my channel, do not forget to mention everything in the comment section. If you're new to my channel and you are interested into makeup, beauty and all these things, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye.